matlab. I am recently working in a software industry. This is all happened due to Rahul sir. You know that I was from known background of coding language. I did not have any knowledge about the coding, but I want to restart my career as a software developer. So I heard about the Incapp and I joined the Incapp in August 2021. After the guidance of Rahul sir, I cleared my full stack Java developer course, and sir also suggested me about the Oracle Certified Associate exam, which I enrolled for that, and I cleared in my first attempt under the guidance of Rahul sir. And now I am become Oracle Certified Java Associate, and thank you Incapp, thank you Rahul sir for making my career as a software developer. And believe me guys, if you want to make your career as a software developer, please join the Incapp. Thank you.